Hello English-speaking world, all the German learners, I greet you. In this video I will explain the difference between wissen and kennen. Wissen and kennen both mean to know, but there is a grammatical difference. If you want to use it with an object, then you need kennen. For example, I know the man. Ich kenne den Mann. Here are some more examples. Ich kenne den Film. I know the movie. Kennt das Buch. He knows the book. Wir kennen Berlin. We know Berlin. Kennst du Sarah? Do you know Sarah? On the other hand, if you want to use it with a subclause, then you need the verb wissen. For example, I know that the man is German. Ich weiß, dass der Mann Deutscher ist. Here are some more examples. Ich weiß, dass du klug bist. I know that you are smart. Ich weiß, wer das ist. I know who that is. Weiß nicht, wie spät es ist. He doesn't know what time it is. Wir wollen wissen, wo ist. We want to know where he is. Weißt du, ob der Film auf Englisch ist? Do you know if the movie is in English? So the rule is Akkusativobjekt kennen, Nebensatz wissen. This rule is 100% correct, but there are some exceptions where instead of kennen, you can also use wissen with an object. But it only works with certain abstract words. The most common are a Wort, word, like Passwort, Antwort, Vokabel, and so on. Die Lösung, the solution. Der Name, the name. Die Nummer, the number. Der Wert, the value. Der Unterschied, the difference. So you can say, ich kenne die Nummer, or ich weiß die Nummer. Ich kenne den Unterschied, or ich weiß den Unterschied. Now there's one situation where wissen and kennen have a different meaning, and this is ich weiß das and ich kenne das. Let's look at the verbs to see where they come from. Wissen has to do with knowledge. You might know that das Wissen means the knowledge. So, ich weiß das means I know that. Kennen, however, is related to können, which means can. So, if you can do it, then you know how to do it, right? So, kennen has to do with experience. Ich kenne das means I have experience with that. So, for example, if a student tells you, ich bin durch die Prüfung gefallen, I failed the exam, and you say, ich weiß das, then that means I know that you failed the exam. If you say, ich kenne das, that means I know how it is to fail in an exam. Then another thing that you should know is that I know is ich weiß in German. You cannot say ich kenne because kennen always needs an object. Finally, let's look at the conjugation of both verbs, because they're somewhat special. Wissen and kennen are both strong verbs, but neither follows the normal strong verb rules. Here's the complete conjugation. Wissen works like a modal verb, and the special stem is weiß. This is the only German verb that behaves that way. The past stem is wusste, and the past participle is gewusst. Kennen is one of the mixed verbs, which means it follows some weak verb rules, although it is a strong verb. It does not have the vowel change with du and RCS, and the past participle ends in a T. The past stem is kannte and the past participle is gekannt. Let's look at what we've learned. Kennen and wissen mean to know. Kennen is used with an object, while wissen is used with a subclause. With some abstract words, you can use wissen instead of kennen. The most important ones are Wort, Name, Nummer, Antwort, Lösung, Wert, Unterschied. In the sentence Ich weiß das, ich kenne das, kennen and wissen have a different meaning. Wissen means knowledge, while kennen means experience. I know is ich weiß in German. The past stems and participles are wissen, wusste, gewusst, kennen, kannte, gekannt. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments and I will try to answer them. Please like and share this video und vielen Dank für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.